Welcome here to my channel. In today's show, I'll teach you how quite simply one can make a dense, natural liquid booster using food skins. This booster is perfect for feeding your veggies, fruit trees, and even flower beds. It's a simple, smart way to reuse kitchen scraps while aiding plant health. So let's dive in. First, we'll gather skins from the fruits we eat each day. This may include lemon peels, mango skins, melon peels, or any other fruit that is common to you based on the season and your region. These skins are rich in goodness like calcium, sulfur, and other key elements that plants crave. Instead of discarding them, we're turning them into something useful for our plants. Next, chop the fruit skins into fine slices. Why is this needed? Chopping them into tiny slices quickens the breakdown process, making the nutrients mix faster with the water. Smaller bits mean less waiting and more effective nutrient release. It's a small task that makes a strong impact. Now take your cut fruit skins and place them inside a jar or any tub you can find. Be sure the tub is clean and large enough to hold the blend you're making. Once the skins are in, it's time to add in water. Ideally, you should pick non-chlorinated water or rainwater, since chlorine in tap water can disturb the friendly microbes that will form during the soaking stage. These microbes are key to breaking down the skins and forming a vitamin-rich liquid. After adding water, mix in a few scoops of your garden dirt. This may seem odd, but here's why it's key. Garden dirt has active organisms that help degrade the fruit skins at a quicker pace. These organisms work like tiny agents, dissolving the natural scraps and changing them into a liquid filled with goodness. Without them, the cycle would take far longer. Stir it all up, so the skins, water, and dirt are properly blended. Now, shield the tub lightly with a cover or a sheet of mesh. The aim is to stop bugs and dust from getting in while still letting air pass. Soaking is an open-air cycle, so a little air passage is vital. Place the tub in a mild space, away from hot sun. Here comes the easiest bit: patience. Let the blend rest for at least 7 days. If you wish for a richer, more robust booster, you can keep it for a longer time, even up to 2 or 3 weeks. The longer it stays, the more vitamins seep out of the skins, forming a deep, strong liquid. While it rests, you may see a faint scent coming from the tub. Don't stress. That's totally usual, and just a sign that the soaking stage is happening. After 7 days or more, your liquid booster will be good to use. But before we pour it on our plants, we must water it down. This step is key, because the liquid is thick and could damage your plants if applied raw. The mix is simple. Blend 1 part of the booster with 10 parts of water. For instance, if you take 1 cup of booster, add it to 10 cups of water. Once it's mixed, you can pour it near the base of your plants or use it as a leaf spray. This liquid booster is filled with goodness that makes your plants grow greener, tougher, and more fruitful. You'll see fresher leaves, firmer stalks, and an overall rise in plant health. Plus, it's fully natural, so you're not adding any bad toxins into your yard. It's gentle on nature, your plants, and even the kind bugs in your garden. If you liked this show, don't forget to like, share, and follow my channel. I'd love to hear how this homemade booster worked for you, so feel free to drop a note below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another show.